Hi everyone, I'm Erwan LeCocq from WINSTON Golf in Germany. We are a 45-hole facility, and behind me you can enjoy the view of the Links 18-hole, full fescue. And as you can see, the design is very extreme. That brings a lot of challenging on the green. We also have 18-hole on bent grass power in a parkland style. And since 2020, we've been using SoilSCOT to measure the moisture level of the greens. But recently they give us the opportunity to try out the new sensor, the Happi100, to test the oxygen level of the greens as well. We install 5 sensors in the same green, 2 in a high spot, 2 in a low spot, and 1 in a control area. That way we divide them into 2 areas, A and B, and we tried out different maintenance, such as wetting agent, penetrant, aerification, and such. We've learned a lot from these few months. The most eye-opening result we've seen is how well the good performing area have been recovering, such as after 40 liters of rain overnight, then in a matter of hours they were back to the same level of moisture and same level of oxygen as before. However, in the lower area, we saw that moisture went through the roof, oxygen level came critically low. But what was really eye-opening and a learning experience for us was it only takes few hours for the good area to recover, but it takes up to 1 week of the bad area to even get back to the normal level. So using this sensor, we will now try out more maintenance practices, more machines and products, and find out which one work better for us, and adjust our maintenance schedule based on the oxygen level of the greens. It's been a very learnful experience for us, and I will now take you to the green. Here we are on the 12th green where we try the sensor. So on the left side we have the A section and the right side is the B section. As you can see, there's a very big slope in the middle of the green, and the good performing area are the top of the slope and the low performing area are the bottom. We tried 5 sensors for a few months now, but we are confident in the future that only a couple of sensors in the same green, one in the high area and one in the low area, will give us plenty of information and to decide what maintenance to do on the green based on actual